Hello everyone and welcome to this last video for week 4 on plugins. So I'm inside my Moodle MAMP installation, go to site administration, go to plugins, install plugins, and then here click on install plugins from the Moodle plugins directory. As you can see here, we need to look at the Moove theme and then search. And I can see it here, so I'm just going to click on it. And now this is the release 5.1. I'm going to download it. Okay. There it is. So what I'm going to go and do is go back and I'm going to drag it from the zip file because it says install plugin from the zip file. I'm going to drag it here. Super easy. And it's done. I'm just going to install it. I'm going to say continue. Now I'm just going to scroll all the way down, click on continue. There it is, and upgrade Moodle database. Okay, and now we have here that it's been updated. So that's the Moove theme. I'm just going to say save changes. I'm going to go to the site administration and appearance, themes, and now I can see that Moove appears because it wasn't appearing before. I'm going to select it as my theme. And we can see here now the Moove is the current theme. I'm just going to go to my learning spaces to see my course and what it looks like. So I'm just going to go to my main course. And we can see that now it's completely different. Now, the second plugin is for one topic format, which is something I did before. That's why it appears already like this, rather than with weeks underneath it, like different sections, which is what we had on the course and also on the NEP website. So this one I had done already, and you can see that one topic format basically looks like this. Now, I'm going to repeat the process for the certificate. We go to site administration, then to plugins, install plugins. We go again to the install plugins from the Moodle plugins directory. I'm going to write custom certificate and search. I can see it here, custom certificate, scroll down, go there. And now I can see that it is the Moodle 5 in 5.1. I'm going to download it as before. I'm going to go back to install plugins and drag it from there, custom certificate, install plugin from zip file, continue, scroll all the way down, continue, scroll all the way down, upgrade Moodle database now so that it loads it and we're able to see it and use it. Okay, upgrading to new version. So I'm just going to scroll down and say continue. Okay, and then I can see that the settings have appeared. I'm going to say save changes. So I'm going to go back to site administration, then plugins, and then I'm going to see custom certificate. It appears here. So let's check custom certificate settings. Okay, so I can see schedule task configuration, default value for activity settings if I were to change anything. And if I go to my learning spaces and my course, I had a certificate page here. If I go to edit mode, then I should be able to edit settings, certificate, and that's it. So this is the section. And then I'm going to go back and here click on activity or resource. And in this case, I can see all of them and custom certificate. So I'm just going to click and add now that we have it. And here we have the name. So certificate of completion. Save and display. And we can see it there. Edit, we have the settings, we can edit the certificate. In this case, verify it. And with edit, I can load a template. And I can create a template. I can add a background image. I can add an element. And look for the image.